Happy Friday, everyone. It's Freebie Friday on our Etsy shop. And this week's kit is Blogger. This is the first page. Full boxes. Check flags. This is the dark skin tone. This is your half boxes, appointment labels, will do, habit tracker. Your ombre heart checklist, weekend banner. Your bottom washi, which is 2 strips. Your date covers, small washi, your sidebar tracker, some flags. Oh, we got something on that. Your headers and little things, and your deco in both skin tones. So today only on our Etsy shop site, Plan to be Fab. This 6-sheet weekly kit is free with any $15 purchase. And it is just adorable. Very vibrant, very summery. So if you haven't checked out our Etsy site, please do so. This is free today with any $15 purchase. Thank you all for watching and have a fabulous Friday.